Hey, we're here at Turtle Creek Stadium, home of the Pit Spitters, and we just made our donation for the Topo Michigan insurance runs to Michael's Place. And Michael's Place helps families throughout the area with grieving, and they were selected by our WeCare committee and our employees.
We are so appreciative of this generous donation from you all to help support what we do in Northern Michigan. Michael's Place is a grief support center, and we have been in Traverse City almost 25 years. We work in the schools, we have on-site support groups, and we do a lot of work with children to take them out to do some activities in the community. Our mission is to help anybody who has had a loss. We work with all ages, and we have some very specific groups for people who have lost a child or lost a spouse or lost a parent. We love what we do, and we're so thankful to be a support to families in Northern Michigan.
We're here to make a donation with a $1,000 check for these insurance runs. And if you don't know what an insurance run is, it's when the team is already up late in the game and they get additional runs scored. There you have a Topo Michigan insurance run.
Our overarching goal is to create a compassionate community, and we do everything at no cost. So donations like this really help support and move us forward to help those grieving in our community.